Hey guys! In this video we'll cover another objective for the MO-100 exam, and namely how we can configure page background elements. Before we start, consider subscribing if you haven't done so already so that you don't miss out on any new training content, and if you find this video useful, please smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. That being said, let's get into configuring the page background elements, and the relevant options are on the design tab on the right, so page background, and we'll begin with the first element, which is a watermark. So it is a common, for example, to insert a watermark like don't copy, and as you can see it is a light text in the background that is quite big so that everyone can notice it. And now we have applied a simple watermark. There are of course more options, so you can set your custom watermark and either a picture one or a text one. So let's set a picture one. We'll select some internet picture. We can search for the exam. Perfect. Let's insert this picture. And now when we click apply, you can immediately see the change. Notice that there is washout applied so that now it is really light. We can remove that, apply, and now you can see it is without a washout and it is a bit hard to read. You can also set the scale. So now it is set to auto so that it fits nicely into the document or the page. And we can set it, for example, to 100%, apply. You can see it is now way too big. Let's try 50. And now we can see everything. Perfect. Let's move to the text watermark. So we can set the language, the text, the font, the size. So for example, let's set the text to be exam. We can set some more serious fonts, so for example Times New Roman. So Times New Roman, and set the size to auto. Yeah, let's see what it looks like. So apply. Perfect. We can set it also horizontally. Perfect. And now it is a semi-transparent, so we can remove the transparency and set it to blue. Apply. Now it is what it is. And let's set semi-transparent again. And it looks a bit nicer. To remove your watermark, we can either click here, or when the watermark is applied, we go back to watermark and remove watermark. Let's move on to the next element, which is the background page color. It's a very simple feature. We can simply set the page background color, and in the exam, notice that each of the colors has its own specific name, so make sure to read with attention and select the right one. And when you are asked like an RGB color, you can go to more colors and set the custom RGB, like the numbers, you know. Perfect. The last page background element is page borders. So there are quite a few options, and I encourage you to play with those. Firstly, we can set none border, a box border. So notice what happens when we set the box border. It is applied to all 4 sides, and we can specify which ones. So for example, we can set this border with yellow color and 1 point width, apply to whole document, OK, and now you can see this border. Perfect. Let's go back. There is also the custom options, so you can set it specifically to like individual sides. For example, we can set the solid black 1.5 point border to the bottom and the top, and now this dashed border perhaps with orange and 3 points to left and right. Let's apply it, and now you can see what it looks like. So yeah guys, that is all for today. I hope you find it useful. If so, please smash the like button and we'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye!